Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved a 100% gain in SPX within 7 days. Let's have a look at the chart of SPX. In this play, I would like to enter into a neutral bullish play when the index has entered into an extended sell-off. As highlighted in my trade article, I would like to enter into a position when the price hits near 2,500. Indeed, S&P 500 hits near 2,500 and I got my position filled. Break even for the position is at around $2,350 level. There is a great margin of safety for this trade with 7 days of time left. The price reversed higher with a close at above $2,700 level. It is way above my break-even level of $2,350. Entry is on 9 February with exit on 16 February. In summary, this is a neutral bullish trade that has entry price of 50 cent credit and exit price of 0.00. Understanding the price movement and utilizing the suitable strategy creates the success in this trade. A nice 100% gain for this trade within 7 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 9 February with exit on 16 February, which is also the options expiration date. Entry price is 50 cent credit with exit price of 0. This means that the options price has expired worthless and I get to keep all the options premium. This trade has achieved a 100% gain in 7 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.